In this video, I will teach you how to edit your welcome page on Substack. So first you just have to open your browser and go to substack.com website. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Start Publishing to sign up using your email. If you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In on the top right and log in your credentials. Once you're all logged in and signed up, you land on your Substack dashboard. From here, you just have to go to your profile icon or publication name right here on the upper right corner, and then scroll down until you see settings. You just have to click on this and scroll down again until you see publication. You just have to go to the publication you have and wait for it. Once it's loaded, you just have to go to the upper part of your publication and go to settings again. Inside your settings menu, you just have to scroll down to the left sidebar and click on the welcome page. This is the page where new subscribers will see after they sign up. So it's a great way to introduce yourself and your publication. Here you can edit your headline, body message, and even add an image or link to make the page more engaging. You just have to click on any of this section and then start typing. You can also use the toolbar to bold text and add headings to include links. To add image, you just have to click on Add Image right here and upload an image. And to custom skip button on your welcome page, you just have to tap on this and edit your message to your readers. Once you're all happy with it, you just have to click on Save or just enter. And that's it. Your welcome page is now updated and ready to greet your audiences. And that's how you edit your Substack welcome page, an easy way to make a great first impression on new subscribers. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.